Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the annual benchmark comparison, friends, between the POCO X3 and the MI Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So let's see which phone will be having the better annual benchmark test results, and both phones having the same kind of processor. So this will be the very good comparison as well. So one thing, friends, the both phones, the POCO X3 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro, they both have the same kind of Snapdragon 732G processor. So the another benchmark results also will be the kind of similarly close to each other, so there's nothing much special, but I just want to do the again another benchmark test results so you know exactly how much is the difference. So this another benchmark test results may vary if you do multiple times, so let me try to quickly show you the results, friends. And meanwhile, I got the Redmi Note 10 Pro. I did borrow this phone from one of my friends, so that's why I was unable to do the unboxing review. So the unboxing review was already done by my friend, so that's why I thought of just lending the phone for a couple of days and making the videos on this Redmi Note 10 Pro model. So meanwhile, I'll try to compare the display, camera and all the aspects of this phone versus other smartphones. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos, friends. And here is another benchmark test results of both the smartphones. As you can see here, the Redmi Note 10 Pro and the POCO X3. I did try to use the same kind of another benchmark versions. So in both the smartphones, making the test scores should be kind of similar. So as you can see, the scores is around the Redmi Note 10 Pro scored about 2,79,000. That is slightly above, so maybe 7,000 more than the POCO X3 smartphone. So nothing much special is going on. In the GPU, I did see a little bit kind of change, only 2,000 more, but not much. And CPU kind of similarly close to each other, so nothing much difference is happening. But I did observe the temperatures slightly a difference on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Sometimes there is some kind of error which doesn't say exact temperatures in the another benchmark version sometimes, but overall it says 3 degrees decrease, and but here it shows different degrees. But overall, friends, in terms of the another benchmark test results, both phones should be having the same kind of another benchmark score, so without any problem. So this was the test which I did, and by using the same kind of versions. And for more this kind of comparisons, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech, and don't forget to check the links in description for more interesting videos on these both comparisons on these both smartphones. So which I'm really curious to test the Super AMOLED panel of this Redmi Note 10 Pro versus the POCO X3's normal IPS LCD panel. So I'll try to compare in-depth review on that both topics separately. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more details. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.